Yo, what you doing up here, Jeff? Just write my thoughts into a poem. Because, I just feel something. My dad grew up in Vietnam, I grew up here. It's different.
What you doing today?
I'm playing a little get-together, though. You want to help me get some people?
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some people.
Alright. Yo, wait, hold up. My parents come back at 7 p.m., though. From my dad to me, his only son. Compare the luxury of Vietnam, cuz, to the greatness of Philadelphia. But up our car, away, tie y'all spring rolls all the way. I could keep the list going on and on, but just start leaving when I get to dog. Big Macs, Whoppers, and onion rings. French fries and mama's fried chicken wings. Fried food clogging my arteries. They stop me from heading to parties, cause that's the place where I'm guaranteed that all the ladies really want to dance with me. Dear daddy, so let me stop. Beautiful views and women too. You could be hating, but there's no debating. Got nothing on you. Nothing on you, baby. You know that I just try to have days, but I shouldn't worry. It'll be A-okay, cause they got nothing on you. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nothing on you.
Yeah. Look, they have nothing on you. You stay on top of my head like shampoo. You never come second like putting in the conditioner and call me a leader, cause baby, I'm missing ya. I talk about the USA, at the end of the day, it's only you and us, babe. But you still don't trust me so. I'm working in the States, but my heart rests in Tokyo. Really in Cambodia. No pain, early in the morning I'll be hopping on the train, so I can sit back and relax with my man Jeff, and we gonna hop right back on the plane. We gonna eat the crab, eat strip, while man get pit lemonade. You know what I say?